Whoa. Okay, so let's get started. So, a standing desk. Do you guys think it's worth it? Do you guys own one? Today I'm gonna show you and tell you if it's worth it or not as a graphic designer or as a freelance design student, whatever you wanna call yourself. Alright, so standing desk. Okay, standing desk, there are quite a lot of options. Editors insert this. So there's quite a lot of options for standing desk, and the price ranges a lot from that. But what I got is quite really budget. Standing desk. It costs around like It costs around like $600 or something. But yeah, it's really worth it. If I have to sum this video up quickly, if you guys don't want to watch the whole entire video, which I do appreciate if you do, okay, let's cut that off. I would appreciate if you do, but standing desk, does it worth it? My answer is yes, for some people. I mean, if you work on the computer all the time, definitely, if you have budget, go for a standing desk. That's just TLDR of this video. But if you want to know more about the details, I'm gonna tell you about the experiences that I've experienced so far. So first of all, standing desk allows you to change the environment from time to time. Basically, when you work, sometimes you want to sit, but sometimes you also want to stand, because humans aren't just designed to sit or stand. They are designed to sit and stand. So basically, when you do the work, sometimes you want to stand up, just stand up and then do the work. By doing that, you are going to change the environment, and you're gonna feel more of like you have the second power, you have the second wind, sort of that feeling, and you embrace the new task. There's a research on right now of Andrew Huberman saying this.
To stand when doing work, at least as it relates to focus and productivity. And the answer is both.
The next thing I want to say about the standing desk is, when you sit all the time, it feels like you are locked in, right? You are locked in all the time in front of the computers, especially you're working 8 hours a day, 6-7 hours a day, but like you feel locked in all the time. Even especially those people who just use laptop and don't have monitors, you're gonna be cramped in, and that's not good for your posture as well. So might as well just stand, or might as well just have a better setup. It's gonna help you a lot, especially also the other thing that I want to say about standing desk is that there's more option to it. Like you can see, set the level of the height to whatever you want, and sometimes it create this environment for me. For example, whenever I'm gonna record a video, I'm gonna set to stand, and it's quite nice to have some sort of setup that you can change almost all the time, and just whole new environment that you can create, right? So I would probably say that it is worth it if you are looking forward to be working on the computer all the time, especially you designer out there. Definitely worth it for the money if you have budget for it. If not, then yeah, just keep on making money and try to put it back into the setup that you are working. I think it's really worth the investment here. So yeah, at the end of the day, you're the star. Peace out.